In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up classes in QuickBooks Online. To begin, look to the top right area of QuickBooks Online and click the Settings icon shown as a gear. This opens the menu where account level preferences are managed. From that menu, select Account and Settings. That will take you into the main settings window for your company file, where several categories appear along the left side. Once you are in Account and Settings, open the Advanced tab. This section contains options that affect how information is organized across your books. So if you do not see the setting right away, stay within Advanced and scroll until the available sections are visible. You are looking for the Categories section, which is where class tracking is managed. In the Categories section, click Edit. This opens the controls for class-related preferences so you can change how classes work in your file. After Edit is open, find the option labeled Track Classes and turn it on. This is the setting that enables class tracking in QuickBooks Online. If the switch is off, classes will not be available for you to use in transactions and other areas that depend on that feature. After turning on Track Classes, move to the Assign Classes dropdown. Here, QuickBooks Online asks how you want classes to be assigned. Select the option that matches the way you want class tracking to work in your business. Depending on what appears in your version of QuickBooks Online, this choice controls whether classes are assigned in one place for an entire transaction or in more detailed line-by-line entry. Make sure you choose the option you intend to use before saving, since this affects how class fields appear when you work in forms later. With your class tracking option selected, click Save. This applies the change and stores the updated setting for your company file. After the save is complete, click Done to close the settings panel and return to QuickBooks Online. At this point, class tracking has been activated, and the assignment preference you selected is now part of your account settings. If you need to adjust this later, you can return to the same advanced area and update the category section again using the same path through Settings and Account and Settings. For now, the key part is that Track Classes is on and the assignment method has been chosen and saved correctly. Your QuickBooks Online account is now set up to track classes with your selected class assignment setting.